Waking up early in the morning during Brahma Muhurta is very important for those who want to advance in spiritual life. I usually wake up at around 5 o'clock, but this morning I woke up shortly before 4 o'clock feeling very fresh and energetic, and I will tell you why later in the video. Before stepping down on Mother Earth, I first pay my respectful obeisances to her by touching the floor with my hand. It is a beautiful feeling to wake up so early when the whole world is sleeping. It is still about 1.5 hours till full sunrise and full daylight when the world will wake up and start their daily activities. I first head to the kitchen to drink a glass of water with little bit lemon juice. Then I put clean sari and apply tilak. I like usually to chant few rounds, if not all, before doing puja. And this morning I chanted all my 16 rounds before I started puja. It took me nearly 2 hours. By the time I finished everything was almost 7 o'clock. Summertime I keep the roses in the fridge so that they can stay longer fresh. There is one video where I explain in details how I do puja to my Radheshyam in the morning, and I will link that video down below in the description box. First I wake up my Gurudev, Srila Prabhupada, and then my Shishi Radheshyama Sundar, my Giriraj Maharaj, and my Dvarakashila. After the Abhishek, I make fruit salad for my Radheshyam, and I always use seasonal fruits like strawberries, cherries, apples and apricots. I also used dates and walnuts that my mother gave them as a present to me. After that, I perform a small arati, offering incense, ghee lamp and a flower. After honoring kṛṣṇa-preṣṭhāya, I like to read little Shastra. Currently, I'm reading Mahabharata for the second time in my life, and I really enjoy it. After about 30-40 minutes of reading, I work a little bit on my computer, either editing videos, answering comments, or working on my new book. Then it's time for lunch. In Switzerland, lunch is always around 12 o'clock noon. So I decided to make something very simple today, like poha. I really love poha. I made also apricot chutney and dahi. That was the lunch offering to my Radheshyama Sundar. You will find the mantras for offering BHOG in the description box. After lunch prasad, I cleaned the apartment, and finally I opened my Amazon parcel that had arrived 3 months back, but I never got the time to do it. So this is what I ordered. This is for utensils, because I wanted to replace mine. This is very old. I bought it in Agra long ago, but it looks like this, what I ordered, is a little too big. Let's see. I will wash it first. It's a little too big. This is not what I expected. I start cooking dinner around 5 o'clock because in Switzerland dinner time is always 6:30. Today I made rice, spinach sabji, puffed pastry with aloo gobi and paneer inside, and salad. And because now the weather in Switzerland is really sunny and beautiful, around 30 degrees, I enjoy taking prasad outside on the balcony. I have developed a new healthy habit of going jogging and brisk walking 4 to 5 times a week. From 8 to 9 o'clock in the evening, I feel much more healthier and energetic, and that is why I believe waking up in the morning during Brahma Muhurta time has become very easy for me. When I come home again, I take a quick shower, I put on again sari, and I prepare my radhishyam for going to bed. First, I give them fresh water for the night. I take off the jewelries and I put them to sleep. There is another video where I explain this in detail how I do, so I will link that video down below in the description box as well. So dear friends, before going to bed, I always like to read one verse from Bhagavad Gita randomly open, and in this way I feel like Krishna is giving me some message directly to me. So today is chapter 4, verse number 39. A faithful man who is dedicated to transcendental knowledge and who subdues his senses is eligible to achieve such knowledge, and having achieved it, he quickly attains the supreme spiritual peace. So in this verse, the word Shraddhavan is very important, means faithful man, because without faith, without Shraddha, we cannot make any spiritual advancement. Our spiritual advancement is zero. Because person who is faithless, who doesn't have faith in the spiritual scriptures in the Vedas, he cannot attain this transcendental knowledge. And the name of this chapter in Bhagavad Gita, it is called Transcendental Knowledge. And for this doubting soul who has a doubt, he cannot achieve happiness neither in this nor in the next life. So I just want to say that there are 9 steps in Bhakti Yoga, 9 stages. The first stage is Shraddha. As it is said also in this verse, without Shraddha, without faith, there is absolutely no way of even starting our spiritual life. And then it comes, second step is Sadhu Sangha, association with devotees. This is very important. Association with like-minded people is very important. Then comes Bhajana Kriya, means we engage in devotional service. Then is Anartha Nivritti. Slowly our anarthas, our unwanted things are decreasing. Then 5th is Ruchi, fifth is Nishtha, we become steady in our devotional service, we do every day steadily, we serve Krishna. Then 6th is Ruchi, we develop some taste. 7th is Ashakti or attachment. Then 8th is Bhava, and 9th is Prema. So even on the level of bhava, which is love, we can still fall down. Only on the last stage, prema, we don't fall down. So perfect example for this is Bharat Maharaj from Srimad Bhagavatam, who got attached to a deer. So at the end of his life, when he was dying, he remembered the deer, so he could not attain in this body perfection, even though he was on the level of bhava. So back to the verse, the importance of having faith is very crucial. Only Shraddhavan, faithful people, can be eligible to achieve this knowledge. Thank you very much, Krishna, for these inspirational words. I hope, my dear friends, you enjoyed this video. See you soon again in the next one. Hare Krishna, Shubha Ratri, Radhe Shyam.